Hello everyone, it's me Jung from Crafting World. Today in this video, we'll learn how to make a beautiful lantern using a paper. So without any further more delay, let's begin. For this, you need to have 4 different colorful circle shaped paper. So each paper should contain 8 pieces. Total number of pieces will be 8. So each of the different circular coloring paper should contain 8 pieces in itself. And the second thing you need is a small long thin paper, so you need to cut, and the 2 rectangular long papers. As you can see, one will be a little smaller, as you can see in size, a little smaller, and one will be a bigger. So let's begin the crafting. Now take one piece of the circular coloring paper. So now what you need to do, you need to fold just in the middle portion, just like this. So you can see, you need to fold and do exactly like this all the rest of the circular papers. So after folding each one piece of the circular paper, so what you need to do, you can see here we have 2 long big papers. So you need to take the bigger paper. This one is a bigger in size, as you can see here. It's a bigger one, so take the bigger one paper. So keep it in the side. So what you need to do now, next thing is you need to paste one by one here, from here, just like this. You need to paste and glue in this way, one by one. You can change the different colors, or you can put the same colors too, like this. One by one, you can just glue it and glue it completely, and I will show you the final versions after gluing all these circular rings. Now after gluing all the papers, now you can see with the yellow paper, so you can see here what you need to do is, in the rest part which some portions are left here, you need to glue it here, and after gluing here you need to just coil it like this. You need to adjust that part, just need to coil it, and you can see you will get this kind of shape. You need to coil it, and well, I will show you the final versions after gluing it. Now you can see after gluing this, the lantern is almost half ready. So a few more things left to make it complete. So what you need to do is, the yellow paper which you have cut before, the small size one, you need to cut in this way. Now you need to cut in the small pieces, just like this. Just like this, you need to cut small pieces. So you keep cutting this way, and I will show you after completion. After cutting like this, as you can see here, what you need to do, you just need to coil like this, and after coiling and pasting it, you need to paste it here, here, just like this. So just glue it here and paste it this portion. Now you can see here our lantern is almost ready. This what you need to do, the last thing you left for us to this one, as you can see, the yellow one, we need to just tie it here, just wrap it here, and just tie it in here. So I will show the complete lantern after completing this. So finally you can see our lantern is almost ready now. As you can see here, our lantern is almost ready now. So in this way you can easily make a beautiful lantern using a paper. So try it out by yourself, and if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.